Hi guys, happy Monday. It's Miss Jen back again to help you guys with numbers. Now, we're learning about numbers this week with Miss Jen, and I want to make sure we know how to count to 20 because it's been a little bit and I think I kind of forgot. Can you guys help me count? Oh, good. Now, what number do I start with? Oh, that's right, 1. Okay, so let's count to 20 using let's use our robot voices to count to 20. You ready? Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can hear you. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job, my friends. I'm so glad you helped me count because I kind of did a little kind of bad thing. I kind of mixed up our numbers. See? I got it mixed up at the bottom. I need help putting them back in order. Can you guys help me put them in order? Oh, thank you. I'm so glad you guys can. So you're going to need to get some scissors, some glue, okay? And when you go get those, come join me back and I'll tell you what we're going to cut out. Deal? Okay, I'll wait for you to get scissors. Okay, now that you've got your scissors, I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to cut out. See this dotted line right here? You're going to cut first across that dotted line. Remember, scissors, our thumb is up in the small hole and the rest of our fingers are in the big hole at the bottom. When we cut, we want to keep giving ourselves the thumbs up, right? Cut, 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 cut. So you're going to cut that dotted line and then you're going to cut out each number. Now, you don't have to cut on each of the little lines in between the numbers. That's kind of hard. So just do one line, just one cut there. I think you guys can handle that. Okay? So when you've finished cutting those out, come join me again and I will show you what our next project is. Part of it is, okay? Okay, I've got mine cut out. I've got my numbers here. I'm going to spread out my numbers so we can see them all. Whew. That was a lot of numbers. I'm so glad I cut them all out. Let's see. Got my numbers and I have my glue. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. So now we're going to start counting again because that's how we're going to remember. So this number is, that's right, it's 1. So 1, 2, that's right. Now I got to find my 2. Where's my 2? There it is. Okay, so I'm going to pick up my glue and my number. Remember, only a little bit of glue. You don't need a lot. There we go, just a little dot and put my 2 right on. Whew. Okay, got one number done. Ready? Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Where's my 5? Well, there's a 5. Is that my 5 though? Nope, that's a 1 and a 5. I need just the 5. Oh, here it is. So I pick it up, put a little bit of glue, and put my 5 down. There we go. Awesome. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh man, what did 6 look like? You're right, it did. It looked like a big C and a circle on bottom. Which one of those is my big C and circle on bottom? You're right, here it is. Okay, time to pick that up and glue that on. Are you guys following along and doing it too? Awesome. I'm happy if you are gluing, and if you're not, if you're just watching right now, that's fine too. I'm glad you're watching. Okay, now we got to figure out what our next number is. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. Okay, where's my 8? 8 was you're right, a circle on top and a circle on bottom. Where's my circle on top and my circle on bottom? There it is. You're right. I'm so glad you guys are helping me. I don't know what I would have done without you guys. So just a little bit of glue. Whoopsies. And time to glue on my 8. There we go. Okay. Let's see. We're almost done with the top. Whew. I think we can handle it. Let's see what we need next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh man, that's a big number. Now where is my 9? You found it? Where? Man, you guys are so smart. It's right here. Time for me to pick it up and glue it on. Hope you're gluing yours on too. just a little bit. There we go. Okay, we've done our top row, but now it's time to start our bottom row. So we're going to go all the way through the top from left to right, and then we start on the bottom row. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. That's right, that was a tricky number. What came after 11? Do you remember? When we're counting 10, 11, 12. That's right, that one was a tricky number. I'm glad you guys remembered. Now I'll help you guys out if we don't remember what 12 looks like. It's a 1 and a 2. Do you guys see my 1 and my 2? You do? You're right, here it is. Good job, my friends. You guys have eagle eyes. I'm so proud of you. It means you guys can see things very, very well. Okay. Whew. Okay, let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh my goodness. They just keep getting bigger and bigger. 13. That sounds like it needs a 1 and a 3. That's right. Oh, I found my 1 and my 3. Here it is. Okay, I'm going to glue it on. Just a little bit of glue and time to push it on. Okay, let's see. Where do we go next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Whoa! 15. Okay, what numbers are in 15? That's right, my 1 and my 5. Is that my 1 and my 5? No, that's a 1 and a 7. Where's my 1 and my 5? There it is. Whew, good. Oh, look, we only have 2 more squares after this. I think we can do it. I think we can. We're almost done. Woo! Okay, let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whew, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, remember, our teen families all had one thing in common. What was that? That's right, they all had a 1 in the front to say teen. So where's my 1 in my front? Here it is. There's my 1 in my front. Time to glue that on. And one last number. Let's make sure we know what number it is by counting everything one more time, and then we're done counting this page. You ready to help me? Okay. I need help because I'm starting to get out of breath. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is a new number that we're just barely learning about, where the 2 in the front says 20 and the 0 says nothing. So this is our 20. So we're going to glue it in our last spot. Woohoo! We finished this worksheet. Oopsies. Just need that little glue. There we go. Yes, we finished the worksheet. We're done. This is awesome. Now, it's great that we know how to count and we know how to put our numbers in order, but do you know why we need to put our numbers in order? We need to put our numbers in order because they need to know where to stand in line. You remember how we have little pencils on the floor at school to help us remember where to stand so we're not getting in too close to our friends and touching them and everything? Well, the numbers need that too, and they have their own thing called a number line. So these are 2 examples of number lines. This is 0 through 10, and the bottom is 0 through 20. So let's take a look at these so we can see how it works. Do you see how they have these little lines here? Those are like their their pencils to show them where to stand. So 0 knows he needs to be first and be right here, and 10 knows he's supposed to be last in this one. Is 10 last over here though? No, that's 20. 10's right here in the middle. If 10 were out of place, he wouldn't be in the right place. He wouldn't be in order. So we need to make sure we know the order of our numbers so they know where to stand. And we're going to be using this number line a lot to help us. Now, this is a little interesting. It's kind of hard to understand for us. So I found something that was kind of cool. I'm going to bring it over. Right there. See it okay? I hope you guys can see it okay. Now, it's the same thing as our top one where it was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But this shows us with stars that each number means something. Like number 2 here. It means there are 2 objects, 2 stars there. Now, what about for number 9? What do you think that means? That's right, 9 stars. Let's make sure they have 9 stars already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, if they moved around, it would have been like counting like 1, 2, 9, 7, 6, 3. Is that how we count? No, we have to count like this. We have to keep them in order. So what's cool is this shows us every place that they need to stand in line and how many is there. So what I want you guys to do is to practice this at home. You can find some cereal like I have. Maybe you've got raisins or some little small toys or something else that you guys would like to put on. And what you can do is you can practice using your cereal to put the different numbers on. So like if I chose 3, how many pieces of cereal do I need to put there? 3. So I'm only going to put 3. Now, oh, my cereal is a little big. So it kind of covers more than the star. You can put it on the stars. You can put it below the stars. For now, I'm putting them on. And it's a little big. But I know that this number is, that's right, 3. So I'm going to put only 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, cool. I made a pattern. Maybe on another one I can continue that. You guys don't have to do patterns. If you can, if you want to, if you're able to. But I want you to practice. Let's try one more. Let's try this one. It's the circle on top and the circle on bottom. What number is that? That's right, 8. So let's put 8 things there. Oops, they're sticking together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Now that went over my stars, but that's okay. I still put 8 pieces of cereal in that one spot. So I want you guys to continue filling in all the rest of them over and over. See how many different ways you can do it. Maybe you do it with toys one time. Maybe it is with cereal. I don't know. But I know it's awesome to kind of get to eat the cereal after. I think you guys can handle that. I think you guys are smart enough to do that. But if you have troubles, let me know and I'll help you guys too, okay? Parents, I'm going to encourage you to continue going over the ordering numbers and why it's important that we have them in order with them to help them out with this number line. But we'll continue that the rest of the week. Well, until next time, my friends, have a wonderful day and may God continue to bless you and your families. Bye.